everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today, again, we'll be previewing a slime that you can buy on Etsy. The name of the shop is Taya's Slime Shop. I bet you can guess what my name is. This slime is called Floam. Now, if you don't play with your slime for a while, all of the styrofoam balls will float to the top and you'll be left with a gorgeous, incredibly soft layer at the bottom. Now, I play with my slime a ton, so there's not really that soft layer. Now, the way to buy this slime is on Etsy. If you want more information and previews of it, go to my Facebook page. I will leave both links below. Now, there are many colors offered for this slime. It is not incredibly stretchy, but has a certain amount of stretch to it. Now, this slime has a bit of a sticky texture just because of the ingredients in it and the way that it is made, but it won't stick to your fingers, even though it has a little bit of a sticky texture. It is very fun to squeeze and crush. Now, I'm sure many of you have heard of just the normal Floam that you can buy in the store, but this is very different. It is a Floam slime. More stretchy, more soft, and loads more fun to play with. If you like more of a crunchy slime, make sure to check out my other video, Crunchy Slime, and my fishbowl slime video. Don't forget, you can buy all of these slimes on Etsy. Thank you for watching. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, view my sites, and have a wonderful day.